So we've been called out to Cranebrook this afternoon to fix a broken fibre cable. The fibre's been pulled out of the APC connector on the back of the NTD or the GPON unit, so you can see that's been clearly snapped off. So at the moment we've just stripped and cleaned the fibre, stripped the creosote off. I don't know if you can just see the fibre in there. So we're just about to cleave it and then we'll fit a new connector. Okay, so we've cleaned and cleaved it. We fitted a new connector on the end that when we connected our meter, our Pong meter, we'll get no signal. So I've put a light source, a visual light source on the PCD located at the front of the house. And we have a break here. This will be the cause of why there's no signal. That's a good thing with a visual fault locator. Pumps the laser light down the fibre, and as you can see, it clearly exposes where the break is. So hopefully we can get enough cable. We'll strip that back, cleave it and fit a new connector, and we should be able to restore the service. Let's see how we go. PCD, so we've removed the SC-APC connector, the pass-through connector, connected the VFL light source onto the internal cable to get our laser or the visual light that you've seen located in where the NTD is mounted. So we're just about to put all that together, and then we'll connect that up and we'll put a Pong meter on it and check the signal level. So just testing the downstream, and yep, level's all good. So we'll put it all back together and the client will have their internet. Okay, so we've reconnected the connector, put everything back in. Got optical link up now, and client's got their internet back. So all in all, good result.